What's going on, everybody? It's Conti here. If you are a YouTube blogger and you have the problem where you've uploaded your video and the processing has been completed, there is an error which appears underneath your basic info tag which reads Invalid Request Authentication Expired. What happens is that it prevents you from publishing the video once the processing is done. So no matter how many times you click on it, it will stay in this window here as well, and your video won't be made public, and this error message will still remain. So in order to fix this, if you open up your channel in a different tab, in order to open up a new tab, simply go to the top of your internet browser. I'm using Google Chrome here, and then click on the new tab button to the side of the one that you are currently accessing, or just go to the one that you currently have open, right click and duplicate. If you've opened up a new tab and your Creator Studio isn't open, just left click on your profile icon and then go to Creator Studio. I'm currently inside Studio Beta. In the channel menu on the left, go to Videos, left click on that. When the menu loads, you should see that the video you tried publishing is in draft mode with a yellow eye icon across it as well. So if you go to the arrow next to draft, you should see three options appear. I'm going to click on public and I'm going to click on save. And there you have it, problem solved. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you very much for watching. Join me soon for another video. Take care.